So let's look at actually having our sprite projectiles go across the screen. So let's look at that magic missile again. Abilities. This is the abilities. Spell icons. I think that's part of the active effect. So the effect type is sprite. So if we go to this, let's go to the effect type one. Our enumerations here. Let's see our effect types here. Default of the sprite. So what is this? Particle sprite or text. So you can have so let's call it that. And how does this get implemented? So this is a balancing controller. This is a start temp sprite. Final references. Use ability temp effect. Here's where it is. Temp effect. Projectile sprite. You want to start a temp sprite, but you want to do use ability temp effect. This is what this ability temp effect. Double size. This is game character targetability. What? How are these not? How is this compiling? These are like the same. These like the same exact methods. Final references. Am I going crazy? There's like a space here. Doesn't really matter. Game character targetability. Oh. Final references. How does this compile? Do that? How does this compile? Oh, it's a tile target versus game character target. Okay. Although that's these really should be. These really should be doing the same thing here. This is bad coding. It's just finding this XY that it's on. I'm not going to change it. And I hate duplicating the... Really what this should do is tile t character tile equals game.battle board get tile from point target x point target x target y, and then should just call this guy character let's call this target tile. That's what it should do. So otherwise you're duplicating all that logic. So projectile sprite, so then when you start a temp, well, I'm going to do a start temp sprite, targets, target effect index. So who calls this one? That's if you get test. Really, no one uses it unless you get hit. Most of them do the start temp sprite off. Temp sprite. Temp sprite. Yeah, we're not using that. So vector 2 so really we're doing the same thing, but we're giving it a +1, +2. Well, there you go. It already has it fed in there. You have to make a new thing, a new method. How do you do optional? Optional items. They're saying you declare it. Yeah, I don't know about that. Doesn't matter. So we'll do our start jump sprite, final references, and for this guy, our sprite vector equals yeah, I mean, there's a lot of ways you can do it. Do you have one? Yeah. Game.ActiveCharacter.x. Game.active. They don't have a position. It's broken somehow. Alright, well, that was for an ability. Let's do it on the effects. So abilities, we change this to the effects. We're going to change our magic missile to be projectile sprite. Well, it moved. I think it went the wrong way. That's funny. Interesting. Alright, so at least it's moving. So obviously you want to go from character to target instead of the reverse. So for our abilities helper, you want sprite vector 1 to be the character, and 2 is the target. Let's give that another shot. So something's wrong with the active character x1. Is it flipping it? You have to flip the y, that's what it is. Yeah, the other problem is that he gets hurt before the thing happens. Looks cool though. Works, sort of. Let's try for some more stuff. What else would be projectile?